According to a New York Times report published in January 2007, people living in the city see 5,000 advertisements in one day. With persuasive messages all around, you should be able to safeguard yourself against deceptive messages. This presentation shows how to identify deceiving messages in advertisements and hopefully make you a better consumer in the end. The irrelevant claim sounds enticing and draws the consumer into an advertisement and brand, but when taking a closer look, it rarely passes the test. The statement, "they would still be here if they hadn't caught a cold," is irrelevant because it states that the dinosaurs became extinct because of the common cold and infers that humans will go extinct from the cold unless they take aspirin plus C. The advantage claim with Nivea brand nail polish states their polish makes nails stronger and longer. However, how many brands of nail polish do the same thing? The book Persuasion, Reception, and Responsibility states that whenever you are faced with a person, product, or idea that claims some significant advantage, ask if it is real and if it is exclusive to that brand, candidate, or cause. Finally, subliminal messaging occurs in different formats. Just as in the picture puzzles of both the old woman and the young woman, where one's perception shifts of the image, so does this advertisement. At first glance, this is an advertisement with only the phrase, "This is what happens when you drink and drive," repeated. However, when the viewer actually takes time to read the whole image, they can see their eyes shifting. It becomes difficult to focus. This ad simulates a drunk driver's vision on the road. What do you see when you first look at this advertisement? It costs $4 for a dozen of something, but read the small print. It really costs $4.99 for a half dozen of that particular product. Sometimes we don't always get what we pay for. Take a look at this popsicle with the supposed likeness of SpongeBob SquarePants. Would you have bought the treat if you thought it was going to look that appetizing? When looking at advertising, remember to ask the appropriate questions. For this ad, where's the family staying on holiday? What is the company offering? Are they referring to the resort, airfare, or attractions? Don't be suckered in by flashy headlines. Finally, not all advertising is going to suit you and your consumer needs. Pedigree may offer dog food for strong dogs. However, is that what your dog needs? This ad is a creative but unrealistic way to show the strength of dogs who eat pedigree. Take the skills you learned from this presentation and go forth in the world. You can now analyze advertisements around you and be a responsible consumer. Thank you.